Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this ComeUp Seal Slim Off-Road Winch with the synthetic rope, the hawse fairlead, and a 9,500 pound rated line pull. Now this is a 12 volt DC severe duty winch. It's rated at a 9,500 pound single line pull, and it'll meet or exceed your expectations. If you notice on this, it has a nice compact motor housing and gearbox on this side, so it does fit most vehicles. The motor on this is a heavy duty 5 horsepower series wound motor, so it'll deliver superior torque output and fast line speed. And the motor is also equipped with a thermal protection switch. Now on the other side right over here, they use a hardened steel 3-stage Planetary gear train for efficient and reliable operation, and it also gives you a gear ratio of 1:59:1, and this does contain an automatic full load brake. Now I do want to zoom in. Right on top of the gear train here, you can see it has this clutch lever handle, and this makes it very easy to engage or disengage the clutch. So basically, if you want to free spool out some of the synthetic rope, you can just turn this just like that, and that'll disengage the clutch, and you can pull out as much of the rope as you need it. Once you get ready to go and operate the winch, then all you do is just rotate the switch back into the engaged position. And what's nice, right up here at the top of the handle, it'll show you with arrows engaged and disengaged position. Now you can see the handle on this application. We have it directly at the top. This can be moved. This handle can be moved, the clutch handle, to either the front or to the back. Basically, you just take off this cover, loosen the gearbox, and you can rotate it. It'll give you about 11 different positions to put it in for your application, so you can put this handle at the location that works best for you. Now the cutout switch on this will prevent the vehicle battery from draining when it's not in use. Now let me rotate this around. I'm going to show you all the wiring in the back here that comes off the box here, the solenoid. It includes the 2-gauge wires for your battery connection and all the wiring you need for hookup. Now it does come with this nice digital 2-way wireless remote that you can operate it from a distance. And they do also include this wired remote. It's a standard wired waterproof remote. It has the toggle switch right here for in and out operation. And the cord on this wired is about 17 feet. And to connect this, all you do is take this one end right here, go up to the very top, pop off the cap, and then just line up your pins, plug it in, and then you're ready to operate it. When you're not plugged in, just put your cap back on there. Now the rope on this they use is a synthetic rope. It is a 3/8 inch diameter. There's 100 feet of it here on the winch. Helps resist abrasions and water, and it does include this nice steel latch hook right down here. Has a nice keeper on it. You can see that once you latch it, that keeper will keep it secure, keeps it from coming off. And it also includes this nice hand strap that you'll want to use when you're hooking up or unhooking, because you don't want your hands in where the hook is. The rope, you can see, goes through this nice black powder coated hawse fairlead here. And what's nice on this fairlead, they have rounded edges on this, so when your synthetic rope goes through there, it doesn't cut or abuse the rope because of these rounded edges. It does also right here include the mounting hardware for the fairlead. It does include this nice user's guide. This will help describe how to operate the winch. A few specs on this. First, the finish you can see on this is a nice matte black powder coat finish over the whole thing. A few specs on it. The rated line pull again is 9,500 pound single line. The motor we mentioned is a 12 volt DC. The line pull at 0 pounds. The power draw is going to be 60 amps. The line speed is about 48.6 feet per minute. And the line pull at the maximum 9,500 pounds, the draw would be 380 amps. And the line speed on that is about 7.2 feet per minute. Total weight of this whole winch is about 87 pounds. Last thing I want to do is just give you some measurements on this. If we do the overall length, you can see it's about 24 inches long. The width of it is about 6.5 inches wide. And the height on it, all the way up to the very top here, is about 11.5 inches tall. But that should do it for the review on this ComeUp Seal Slim Off-Road Winch with the synthetic rope, the hawse fairlead, and has a 9,500 pound rated line pull.